Pag-usapan natin yung mga benepisyo kapag ikaw ay may long-term healthcare. Ito yung tinatawag na health savings account. Una is renewal is guaranteed. Ibig sabihin, once na nakapag-start na tayo dito ng kontrata, guaranteed marirenew na yung kontrata natin. Unlike pag sa short-term healthcare naging sakitin ka, pwedeng hindi ma-renew yung kontrata mo. Pangalawa is fixed premium for 7 years. Kasi 7 years to pay ang Kaiser. So, ibig sabihin, once na nakapag-start ka na dito, yung premium mo, fix yan for the next 7 years. And then, pangatlo, with 4-way insurance coverage. Ito yung una is term life insurance, pangalawa is accidental and dismemberment na insurance, meaning pag may nangyari sa'yo, namatay ka, at through accident, times 2 yung makukuha ang coverage ng family mo. And then waiver of installment due to death and waiver of installment due to permanent and total disability. Ibig sabihin, once na may nangyari sa plan holder, fully paid matatransfer ito sa kanyang beneficiary, hindi na kailangan bayaran yung kulang. Like kung 2 years pa lang nakahulog, yung kulang na 5 years, fully paid na to. And makukuha yung life insurance coverage. And then next is all unused health fund accumulates with interest. Ito yung dahilan kaya maraming kumukuha ng long-term healthcare kasi pag hindi tayo nagkakasakit, may interest yung fund natin, nag-accumulate lang to. May investment part. And then, covers beyond age 60. Kasi ang healthcare natin sa company, kung short-term healthcare yan, kapag ka nag-retire ka na or nag-resign ka na or beyond 60 years old ka na, hindi na tayo mako-cover nito. So, yun ang maganda sa long-term healthcare. And with return of premium, up to 85% of contract price. Kapag hindi mo nagamit yung benepisyo mo or healthcare mo during the first 7 years na nagbabayad ka, may return of premium. Kaya tinatawag na health savings account. To know more about long-term healthcare, ito yung Kaiser, comment ka lang.